Hi there, Vince here with Nebraska Furniture Mart, and I'm going to talk about drones. We have drones at all prices and all skill levels. So whether you're a beginner or an advanced pilot, we definitely have the selection for you. All of our drones include removable, rechargeable batteries so you can fly for hours. Some of our drones can be controlled with a smartphone. Use the cinematic preset or the built-in stabilized gimbal to capture all your photos and videos. Another cool feature is our obstacle detection, which keeps your drone safe from any crashes. Do you have a need for speed? Check out the sport mode on some of our drones where you can fly them up to 58 miles per hour. For more information like this, visit us in-store in our Omaha, Kansas City, or Texas location, or online at nfm.com. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.